son?
Elmo was talking to his friends. See, Daddy?
Oh, hi, everybody.
Yeah, Elmo was just talking to them about using the toilet.
Oh, well, that certainly is something you know a lot about. Isn't that right, son?
But Elmo didn't always use the toilet, did Elmo?
Well, no. Well, when you were a baby, you wore diapers. Well, look over here.
Okay.
Come here. Come over here on the picture, see? Now, there you are,
Yeah.
wearing a diaper.
Elmo was cute when he was a baby.
Yes, you were, son. And you know, back then, you needed help doing so many things. Eating and dressing and staying dry. So, of course, your mother and I, well, we fed you. Look at your mama, and she purty.
Yeah, Mom.
And then, of course, well, there I am dressing you. Remember your bear? There's Coco.
Yeah, Coco.
Yeah. And then there's your mama changing you, change your diapers, lots of diapers.
Yeah, but now that Elmo's bigger, he can do all those things by himself.
You sure can.
Yeah. And Elmo doesn't need a diaper anymore. Now, when Elmo gets that feeling he has to go, Elmo puts his pee-pee and poo-poo right in the toilet.
That's my boy. Well, now look at this one, son.
Yeah?
You see here? This picture was taken on